Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Got a bit of an unusual one to show you today. We've taken in part exchange this little beast. So what we've got here is a 2004, originally 2004 in Japan. It's a Mitsubishi Pajero 3.5 petrol GDI V6 automatic short wheelbase. It's the XC2 model with a few extra bits and pieces on it. 75,000 miles, locally owned. It's a vehicle we know actually because it used to come into our workshops next door before the gentleman bought another car from me. Sorry, let's start at the beginning. It was brought into the country in 2014. He bought it in 2015, so he's had it for about 5 years, and part exchanged it into us for something else. So bit of an unusual one. Nice car this though, good looking car as well. So let's just show you around. As you can see, it's got a few of the weird bits and pieces which come with the Japanese imports, like this weird mirror on the wing, but they all seem to have that. Wheels on this, we've got these really nice grey painted wheels. I think they are a Mitsubishi fit. I think they're original Mitsubishi wheels. With these Pajeros you get quite a few extra bits and pieces over and above standard, things like the standard that used to be on the ones in the UK. So you've got these side steps on here. You've got the chrome mirror caps. We've also got these little wind deflectors on the windows. It's in really good condition considering how old this is. There's an odd little mark here and there on it. It's a nice car, this. The old traditional rear end with the spare wheel on the door. Right, let's show you in the back. Big single door on these. Inside here, split folding seats. With proper seat belts and all that sort of thing. Bit of load space in the back here as well. Bit of space under here for storage. Okay. So just coming down this side, all in nice order. Light little mark on the paint there. There's also a little scuff on the front bumper there as well, but really nothing much to report on. It's been looked after, this car. It's been well cared for. Inside, grey cloth upholstery. Showing in the back here as well, just have a look in there. You can see rear seats all in good order. There's quite a lot of space in these, even though they're a short wheelbase. So 75,000 miles. It's got this it's got the wood trim on these. It was quite fashionable at the time. Slightly weird, but anyway, that's all on there. Got a Kenwood radio and CD player. We've got air conditioning in here, all blowing cold, working properly. And then down here we've got the automatic gear shift, and also as it's four-wheel drive, you've got a high and low ratio and a lock ratio for the rear diff on this. So you do want to go mud plugging with it, you can. So we've also got full-size glass sunroof in here with the blind. So this you can either slide with a little air dam. I think it tilts as well. We'll just try it. And yes, it does. So tilt and slide. All electric. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. As I said earlier, 3.5 V6 GDI petrol engine in this, so loads of grunt. All clean and tidy under here. Oh, while I think about it as well, it had a CAMBELT replacement done in 2016, so that's been done. We've got some service history with it because the car came into our garage next door here, and I think there's a load of Japanese stuff with it as well, although to decipher that will be quite tricky. But strikes me as a really well looked after car, this. So there we have it, 2004, registered in the UK 2014, Pajero XC2 3.5 GDI petrol automatic. Four-wheel drive, great looking thing, bit unusual, looks like a lot of fun to me. If you need any more information, please give me a call, Simon Shield, 01473 658 091, or alternatively hop on the website where there's all the photographs, all the details, and that is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.